Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sautéed onions and spinach. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sautéed onions and spinach, we have a little block of Limburger cheese here, right? I'll put a link in the description for that. It's a really pungent, tasty, delicious, creamy cheese when you melt it in with your omelet, right? It's always good that way. Alright, now if you do like Limburger cheese with onions, like on crackers and all, you're going to love this recipe. So alright, we have a block of Limburger cheese we're going to slice up, 3 nice large eggs, about a cup of spinach leaves, and 1 small sweet onion. It's about a medium sized to small sweet onion. We're going to slice that up. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Put our Limburger out of the way. Alright, let's go ahead and slice up our onion. Now I like sweet onions, or you can use, any kind of onion you want. And we're not going to use this whole thing, because it'd be too much in our omelet. So we might use a half of it. Let's see if we can peel this. We'll get that outer skin and everything off there. Okay, that's pretty good. We'll get this out of the way. Alright, let's go ahead and slice this in half. And we'll probably use maybe half of that. So we'll save this and put that away. Alright, let's go ahead and slice this kind of thin. Alright, that looks good. Let's bring in a little bowl and we'll put them in there. Alright. Okay, there's our onions chopped up nice. Now we may not use all these because that's quite a bit right there. But let's put them aside. Alright, now let's bring back our Limburger cheese. Now, like I said, this is a really, really pungent type cheese, but it really tastes really good if you can get it past your nose, right? But it calms down quite a bit when you put it in like an omelet and melt it. It actually is really good. It's mixed with the onions, So let's go ahead and slice this up. Alright, now you can use one of these or, a cheese knife, but this is a little sticky, so I'm going to use this today. Let's go ahead and go down through there like that, make little chunks right? Alright, it don't matter if they broke up a little. Just go ahead and cut it up. Because we'll be using it in our omelet, right? Alright, there you go. We're going to use this block up today. They're about a 1/4 inch thick almost. Now you can buy Limburger cheese in blocks like this or a brick form, or you can buy it like in spreads, right? And you can make like a dip with all kinds of nice chives and everything in there. Boy, that would be good with onions and everything. So let's see if we can get one more out of here. I don't think so, but if we can, we'll give it a shot. Now let's just use that block just the way it is. Okay, here's our Limburger cheese all sliced up nice. Let's go ahead and put this aside. Alright, let's take a nice bowl and let's crack some eggs in there. Alright, and to our eggs we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and about a tablespoon of water. Alright, now let's beat that up, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, that looks good. Alright, there's our eggs all beat up nice. Now let's get started making our 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sauteed onions and spinach. Alright, and today we're using our non-stick skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium-high. And we're going to put a little peanut oil in the pan. Alright, our pan's hot enough. Let's go ahead and take our onions and put them in there. Now we're going to saute our onions until they become a little translucent, right? They're starting to look really good. Now I like them just a little bit crunchy with this type of omelet with the Limburger cheese. You know, I want that aroma to kind of get mixed in there, because we like our onions and Limburger cheese together. Okay, let's let them go just a little longer. Alright, now let's take our spinach leaves and put them in there. Alright, now it won't take long for these spinach leaves to wilt. And as soon as they start to wilt, we're going to add our egg mixture. Okay, they're starting to wilt. Now we're going to lower our burner temperature to medium-low. And we're going to take our egg mixture, right? We're going to beat that up a little bit. Get them seasonings in there mixed up. Alright. And now we're going to pour that right in there just like this. Alright. Alright, now we're going to use our universal lid. It comes in real handy, and we're going to cover that and let our eggs firm up just a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing with our egg. Oh yeah, that's firming up nice. Now we're going to take our tasty Limburger cheese, right? And we're going to put that right on top of there. There we go. Just keep piling it in there until you're got enough in there, right? Okay. Now we're going to put a few of these on top there, just like that. Okay. Now don't forget to save a couple for on top. Alright, let's see if we can fold this up. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. Alright, let's put a little more Limburger cheese on top. Now it's best to have the thin ones up here, right? If you like Limburger, this is a tasty omelet. Now let's go ahead and cover that again with our universal lid, and we'll let our cheese melt. Alright guys, let's take a look at our 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sauteed onions and spinach. Look at that, guys. I wish you could smell that, because it has tamed that Limburger cheese down a little bit and it made it more mild in this omelet, right? Now I can't wait to have a taste of that, so let's go ahead and get that out of there and put that on a serving plate or a cutting board, and let's have a taste. Alright, here's our delicious 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sauteed onions and spinach. Look at that, guys. Now let's get that out of there and we'll have a taste. Look at the cheese in here. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go, guys. Boy, does that smell good. And like I said, that pungent odor is already gone. But the flavor's really staying in there. That's going to taste wonderful. Alright, let's go ahead and season that up a little bit. We're going to put a little bit of pepper on there. We don't need any salt. But we'll put some pepper. Just like this. Alright. And a little bit of parsley flakes, because we like our parsley flakes. They look pretty. Plus they taste good. Okay. Alright, now I can't wait to have a taste of this. Let's go ahead and cut that in half and see what it looks like in the middle. Just like that. Okay, let me see if I can get under here and show you. Look at the cheese in there, guys. Can you see that? And those spinach leaves and the onions. Wow, is this going to taste good. Okay, let me turn this so you can see it better too. Alright guys, let's go ahead and have a bite of this one right here. Look at the amount of cheese. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite of this because I can't wait to taste this. Mmm. Is that delicious? If you never had a Limburger cheese omelet with sautéed onions and spinach, you don't know what you're missing. This has got some flavor, guys. Alright, you know what to go good with this? Since we're having this for a delicious lunch, we're going to have a nice hot cup of coffee with this one. Now, doesn't that sound good? It really does. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious 3-egg Limburger cheese omelet with sautéed onions and spinach. That's what's for lunch today. Boy, does that sound good. Yep, I just got to have another little bite here. Look at this, guys. And the cheese in there. This is delicious. Alright. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.